this section, we will take a look at an excellent AI tool which is called Napkin.AI. This tool is generally used to make the infographic presentations. This tool is generally used to make the infographic presentations, right? In the presentation, we have infographic slides, not just the text, which makes audience more captivating, which makes our slides or presentation more captivating and easy for the audience to understand. Now let's see, this is the interface where you can see this Napkin.AI, and you can click on sign in, use your Gmail account, create an account. I've already created, which I'm just going to log in, and we can just put it in here. You can see, yeah, okay. So now see here, this is how it looks like, right? This is how it looks like. So you can see this is my title. You can see this is my title, or you can say I want to create the slides on Mahatma Gandhi, right? So the one what we have just created, maybe for a discussion, just an example, any slides you can take. And we created a paragraph using, let's say here, the same one, ChatGPT, correct? So you can just pick it up, this information which has been supplied. You can say extend also if you want to extend, or you can say extend with more detail. Right, so it will extend with more detail on the paragraph what we have created from Mahatma Gandhi ji, and it will just take it up. Right now it is just creating, and I want to create few slides on it with infographics. So I'll just pick it up, any of this. Let's say this is sufficient. Let it create. This is sufficient for me. I have given the title for infographics, and I'll just put it here. I copy pasted the content here which I want to create. And then I'll just go and click on that particular create button which I have showed you here. Now you can see it is creating different infographics. Left hand side you can see these are different formats of my infographic. Gandhiji's legacy of leadership. You don't like that, you can take a look here. Maybe I can zoom it for you if I have to. Right, and okay, so now you can see, click on this, it will create. Let it take few seconds and then it will be up again. Now you can see, excellent. Mahatma Gandhiji's journey to India's independence. Mahatma Gandhiji's journey to India's independence. Entire timeline graph has been created. You don't like that format? You can use this format too. Maybe you can use this format too, okay? See, look, this format is also good. You can use this format too. This looks good. Let's say I want to use this format or any of other format. You decide what you want, correct? You decide what you want. So for example, let's say I want to use this format. I kind of like it, right? So lighthouse kind of format. So you can see all these events have been transformed in the form of infographic presentation. Furthermore, you can pick up the colors also. Let's say black and white color or plain, or maybe you like some sort of colors, then you go with that inbuilt format what it has given. This looks good, decent, right? So now see, look at this. This is really good. Now what I'll do is I can click on export here. You can have a lighter format or darker format. Let's say you are having a black slide background, then you go with dark. I'm going to have a white slide format, so I'm just clicking on this light format, and then I'll just click on download. I'll just click on download, right? So it has started the download. Here you can see it has downloaded. We'll just open and see how it looks like. This looks awesome. You can edit further. This really looks awesome. You can edit further. Okay, so where is that? Yeah, here it is. So you can see this is really good. You can enable the editing if you are a slide or PPT user, and then you can change and edit this further. You can see if I wanted to increase the font size of these words, you can do that font size. You can change the font size, maybe make it Arial or of your choice. This is really good. Right? So look at this. I've changed. You can edit all these colors also, everything. You don't like this color, just click on that, fill it up, use some other color. That's okay. So this is how we can use the Napkin.AI to create the infographic presentations for our work.